and today we're gonna be playing some more Mega Man. We're gonna be fighting Impact Man today, and guess what? We're gonna win because we're just so fucking good at the. We're so good at the game. Okay, I'm just the best personally. Oh. Who? Alright. Fuck. Shit. Yeah? Good. Bitch. Fuck you! Oh, okay. Alright. Perfect. Fuck. Perfection. Boom. Yeah. Fuck you, miner. Shit, no. Oh my god. Okay. Perfect. God. No. 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 God, I hate this game sometimes. Wait, something happens here. I knew it. Just run through it. Run through it. Run through it. Run through. Run through. Don't run through. Jump that. Perfect. Fuck you, bitch. That's cheap and you know it. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. I need it. I need it. No, I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I got it. Perfect. God, this shit's slow. What the fuck is this? I'm screwed in half. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Die. 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 Ow. Die. No. Die. No. Die. 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 They curve up. What the fuck? No. I dare you. I dare you. Wait. Perfect. Onion rings, bro. Now I deal with this. Hook. Boom, that good, see? I'm just built different. Now to wait about 10 fucking years for this shit. And if you fall, you can kiss that ass goodbye. Ow. Perfect. Fuck. No. Fuck. I'm a master. No. Fuck. Damn it, P. Diddy. Oops. Fuck it. You. Suck it. Yeah. It's been good. I did. I don't know. I think Acid Man's good against Impact Man. You gotta think about this logically though. Which, you know, I'm probably gonna fucking die, not gonna lie. Perfect. Bullshit! Oh yeah. Nope. Perfect. I honestly don't care. Like, acid shield, bro. Perfect. I need you. God, I keep doing the by accident. No. Alright, do this carefully. God damn it. Alright, we're gonna try this again. This time, no fuck up. Pro gamer moves only. Yeah, boom. Look at that shit. Speedrun. Bang, bang, bang. Jump. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Perfect. Combos. Okay. Yeah. And then, oh no. Oh no. No, stop it. Okay. Boom, perfect. And bang. Bang, 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 bang. Yep, okay, good. Good. Don't need health, I don't care about that. Boom. Goated with all the sauce, personally. Oh, shit. Fuck it. Oh, it's so good. Oh no. Just used it all up. Oops. How do I use it again? T? No. Fuck. G? No. U. H. Never mind, I'm an idiot. Nope. Nope. Okay, good. Time to game. Fuck, yes. Fuck you, bitch. Alright, I hate this fucking bullshit. I hate it already. Just gonna use this real quick. Fuck you. Fucking liberals. That's bullshit. Nah, that's bullshit, you know it. Okay, you know what? Yeah, fuck this shit, bro. Bang, bang. Oh shit, bang. Whee! Boom, 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 bang. Fuck you! Fuck you! I'll just use you. Screw it. Damn! Fuck you, bitch. Boom. Now, I have a little thing to do. Okay, so it does give it to all of them. I just need to make sure. Because, like, you never know, you know? Yep. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. No. Good. Fuck it. Yeah, that's right. Pussy. God damn it. No! Perfect. Huh. Not gonna risk it. Perfect. Oh shit. That's not good. Alright. Oh, I'm so dead. That's bullshit. How am I supposed to dodge him? Bro, you just can't dodge some of them. It's impossible. Nope. Oh, right in the fucking face. That's bullshit. Oh, oh. Bang, bang. Bullshit. Ew. Fuck this. Fuck all this. Alright, I'm here. I have nothing. Ah, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to use Black Man. Shit! Okay, I'm gonna fucking die 100%. 110%. Oh. Fuck, bro. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, right in the balls. Alright, let's do this shit. Now that I actually have my acid, I think I can win. Also, if I sound kind of weird, I just got my retainers, so that's probably why. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. Okay, this is starting to piss me off. Fuck! I'm dead. No! Fuck, please! Please, speed, I need this! Oh, I was so close. Fuck. Might be dead. Might be mildly screwed. Oh yeah, definitely fucked. Had this shit activated preemptively, then maybe better chance. I hate that. You just get hit and you can't do anything? That's fucking bullshit. Ooh! He just hits you with a combo impact, bro. Oh, I fucking hate you. With a passion. God damn it! He's too fast! Fuck. Ah, I keep... No, I'm not dying. I won't die. I won't die. I won't die here. You can't have me die here. Fuck you. I don't give a flying fuck. I'm just so good. Now your power is mine. Oh yeah, I'm about to look so cool. And boom, look at that shit. Man. Pile driver. What do you even do? It's a cool melee. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, so it plows through. Ah. Alright then, thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.